Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, I don't know if anybody's interested in this video or not, but if you are, this is the way an Onan that I wired. I'm going to wire my Onan. Alright, and you need this 47105, and it's just a Hoppy connector, Hopkins, and it's the extension, trailer extension flat 4. That's what you need, okay? And you just have this, right? That's the two halves. And you loop it up and cut it right there, okay? Just cut it. Alright, my Onan has 3 wires, okay? And those 3 wires run on that side. These 2 wires are for a hour meter or a running light, okay? Those 2. And your 6th one is blank, okay? So you got start, stop, and there they are. There's the configuration, and they just run straight out. Now I got green, white, and black because I'm using just a regular extension cord. This is a 12-volt circuit. That extension cord is overkill, but it works. Alright, so it just, all you're doing is connecting the solenoid in the generator to start, stop. Alright, so there's the configuration. So with green, we have a green, we have a white, and we have a black, we have a brown. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to use the white because that's the ground wire on this particular setup. I'm going to use green, yellow, and brown, okay, instead of green, white, and black, okay. I'm going to use green, yellow, and brown, okay. That's all you need. So let's go wire it up. Bring you back. Alright folks, sorry about the background noise. They seem to think they gotta blow leaves in the wind. So, anyway, point is here, we're going to replace this plug with that, okay? So let's get it apart and we'll show you what we're doing. Hang on. Alright guys, I'm not sure how much of this you're going to see. Hang on. Let me get you up here a little bit. There you go. Not sure how much of this you're going to see because it's inside this box. And ouch. There we go. I don't really have anywhere to put you, but it's 3 wires. Hang on, guys. I'm going to see if I can get you in here where you can see something. I don't know what. See if you're in here, can't see it even better. Anyway, just working on this 3 wires. Alright, so now you can see better out there. I think you could. I'm not editing this. I'm not editing anything here. Alright, so I'm going to roll with this. Get this wiring here. Alright, this was the black wire. So they're all in a row. Bottom was the black wire down here. Alright, and just as I said before, the middle is the white wire and the top wire is the green wire. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and the other two are meaningless, pointless for our application. If you have those two wires, then you need to hook them back up. All right. There. I'm just hooking them up one at a time, as I hope you do, and everything will be golden. Now, instead of white, we're going to have yellow, okay? Sorry about the background noise, guys. Got a gang of leaf blowers across the street that think there's a lot of leaves on the ground already, and there isn't. Not yet. There will be. That's alright. Trying to earn their bucks, I guess. Alright, so the next thing is the green. Okay, because we already did the other one. Just want to make sure you get it oriented. Yeah. There's the last one on that side. There it is. Sorry about my fat butt being in your way, guys. Really cramped here. Showing you what I can of this. And we will make sure we cap all the wires off before we connect anything up. And always disconnect your battery, guys. No power. You're working on wiring. Keep your battery out of the equation, or your plug, or whatever you got. Yep. Okay. Yeah. I kept this as a reference so that I could go back after dawn here. But it looks good. Yeah, it's black, white, and green. Okay. And then the other two are just for the hour meter or light, whatever you got, which we don't have that. These two. So we'll cap those off. Somebody may use them later. Okay. But now we can run just a regular old flat 4. And we can plug our cord in and run it wherever we want. Wherever we want with remote start. Nice. Sweet. Alright, well, next I want to put this somewhere, and I may end up making a bracket for this so I can put that in there. There's already holes, 4 holes here, so I may utilize those in some way. However, now we got to cap these off. Betcha. Alright, now it's time for the other side of the equation. The cord end. Yeah, we got to do the cord end now. 3 wires. Let's do it. Alright, hang on. Alright guys, here we go. Just as before, up there we did that part, right? Now you have black. I'm going to hook it to brown, okay? We have green. We're going to hook it to green. Alright. We have yellow. We have white. There you go. Sweet. First I want to find out if it works before we insulate the wiring. So I'm going to plug it in right down here. You know, put the two halves together. And I'm going to go have the wife hit the switch in the house. And let's see if this works. Yeah, I didn't want to insulate any of this till I made sure, you know, make sure it's all right. And we'll go from there. So, here we go. Let's have her hit the switch. Let me hook the wiring, the battery back up, okay? Alright, I'm going to go have her hit the switch and we'll see what happens. Hang on. You want to hit the switch on that generator and start it? Try it. Try it again. Now, there's your remote start wiring. Now you just got to tidy it up and everybody's happy. Alright. There you go. It's 3 wires, 3 wires. And that's how we do them. Alright. Catch you later. I'm going to tidy this up, put it back together, and everybody's happy. Love you all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.